How to change Facebook cover photo without notifying friends. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile at the very top. In the cover picture, tap on this pen icon and then click on Upload Photo. It will open up your gallery. From your gallery, select any of the picture that you want to upload as a cover picture. Once selected, tap on Done and then click on Save at the top right corner. Once the cover photo has been uploaded and you don't want to notify any of the friends, then head over to Settings. Scroll all the way down and then head over to Post inside the Audience and Visibility. Select who can see your future post. Set it to only me and then tap on Save. Well, once you have set it to only me, now people will not be notified that you have changed your cover photo. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.